I think there's always going to be growing pains, and we always talk about the external ones. But internal, there is this feeling that I don't deserve to charge a certain amount for things. It's just like with all authors at the beginning, back in 2010, the way you got the word out was all the books were 99 cents. If you're self-published, let's price it as low as we can. But that is a mental hurdle as much as it is an external thing, is thinking about what should you price things. When I first put out best page forward book descriptions, me writing them myself, I didn't have a team yet, didn't have anything. I priced them at $49 a pop. And I got an email. I'd been trying to get on her podcast for years, Joanna Penn. I got an email from her saying the subject was Crazy Man. And it was in reference to my $49 price. And it made me realize, like her saying, you're pricing this way too low, made me realize, okay, I've grown into a business, but am I a business or am I a charity? Am I going to spend every waking moment working for the lowest possible amount? Or am I going to do a favor to my customers and a favor to me at the same time by pricing higher? Because when you price higher, your customers place more value in your product. And when you price higher, you also place more value in yourself.